Warning, this video contains controversial facts and proceed at your own risk. This 32-inch stainless steel natural gas grill made by Lion Premium. So this is stainless steel, increased style, natural gas powered. You could probably get it in regular propane too, but this one's natural gas. 4 cast stainless steel burners. They will not rust out like cast iron. Lifetime warranty on that. Requires very little maintenance. Don't have to worry about it rusting. Grill holds virtually any temperature. Rotisserie ease technology. Put those chickens on there and spin them all day. 830 square inches of cooking surface, built for family and entertaining. Very versatile barbecue cooking. 32 inches, stainless steel grates. Customers are just loving this thing. Oh my God. Solid performance, great grill, great price. Look at that. This thing is beautiful. Anyways, customers are way loving this thing better than the other brands, but hold on, wait. You're almost ready to put this in the cart if you're thinking about a gas grill, so check this out first, okay? Special bonus valued over $297. We're gonna give you some free stuff as a thank you. It's easy. All you need to do, you don't need to buy anything, but just take in the description below the Amazon link, add the product to your cart. Go click on it, you'll go to Amazon, add it to your cart. You don't need to buy it. If you add it to your cart, then after that, go back down the description, leave us a comment like, wow, barbecue, stainless steel, chicken, fire, whatever it might be. Leave that down there. Then go down a little bit farther into the description of the YouTube here and go to georgepauly.com/bonuses. And then that's all you got to do. And now it's your turn. Thank you and have a fantastic day.